Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can bulk move Chrome devices to another organizational unit in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. Schools and corporations need to manage thousands of Chrome devices, specifically Chromebooks. 2. Moving these Chrome devices across organizational units is a technique for deploying different enterprise policies. For school environments, Chrome devices often follow the change in students' organizational unit as they grow up. 3. Google Admin Console can allow you to move limited Chrome devices to an organizational unit at a time. So, there should be an easy way. Let's see how Foresight helps in that. Here you can see in Google Admin Console, under the Devices menu, we have these 50 devices in Grade 1 organizational unit. We will move these to the Grade 2 organizational unit, which has no device. Please note that for the demo purpose, we are only taking 50 devices, while in real cases, we can handle thousands of devices. We will divide our process into two parts. In Part 1, we will export a list of Chrome devices from the Grade 1 organizational unit in CSV format. And in Part 2, we'll use that CSV to move devices to the Grade 2 organizational unit. Part 1. Exporting Chrome devices from Grade 1 in CSV file. Step 1. Sign into Foresight. Step 2. Go to the Rule page and click the plus blue button in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Select the manual trigger and then select List Chrome Devices action. Step 4. Here first, you may need to grant permission to Foresight in your Google Workspace account. Then in the Columns field, leave the default columns. Then in the Organizational Unit field, select Grade 1. Leave the rest of the fields as they are. Step 5. Click Review, enter the rule name, and click Create. Step 6. As you can see, the rule is created. Click the play icon to trigger the rule. Step 7. After a few seconds, you will see a notification in the top right corner. Click to see the results. As you can see, the rule is executed successfully and 50 devices have been exported. Part 2. Moving Chrome devices to Grade 2. Step 1. Sign into Foresight. Step 2. Go to the Rule page and click the plus blue button in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Select the Data Uploaded trigger and upload the exported CSV file. After CSV is parsed, you can see the columns of CSV. Now click Next and select Move Chrome Device to Organizational Unit action. Step 4. Here first, you may need to grant permission to Foresight in your Google Workspace account. Then in Device ID field, select Device ID, and in the Organizational Unit, select Grade 2. Step 5. Click Review, enter the rule name, and click Create. Step 6. As you can see, the rule is created. Now click on the Upload icon and upload the same CSV file once again. Step 7. You will see the rule is running. It may take a few seconds. After the rule has run, some notifications will appear in the top right corner. You can confirm the results from the notification icon by clicking on it and then clicking View Log or going to the Log page. The rule has run successfully. You can also see that Grade 2 now has these devices and Grade 1 is empty. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well.